Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did one eye off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on to the other eye. To achieve this look, I used the Sultry from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're just gonna jump right into it. First shade I'm gonna go into is Twig. It's this one right here. And I'm also gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. So I already took Twig and I'm gonna go ahead and add that right into the crease.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one.
Alright, so the next shade I'm gonna go into is Slate. It's this gray color, and I'm gonna also add that to the crease, but this time I grabbed a smaller blending brush.
Walking alone on the coldest night, there's nothing I can ever say to change your mind.
Alright, so now I'm going to go into Nior. It's this black shade. And I'm also going to take that in the crease, but I am going to use like a smaller blending brush.
I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
And then I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used prior and blend both shades together. I'm also gonna bring it in. Now I'm just gonna go in with the It Bye Bye Under Eye concealer. This one is in light, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the crease, and I'm gonna cut the crease off camera. So the next shade I'm gonna go into is Cyborg, and before I go into that shade, I am gonna wet my brush. So now I'm gonna go back into the black shade and blend the black with the silver together. And I'm gonna go in with both brushes.
Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the glitter primer from NYX, and I'm also gonna use this NYX glitter. It's like a silver iridescent glitter, and I'm gonna create this line.
To see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night, there's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say.
Alright, so the glitter is on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some liner. I'm gonna use the Essence Super Precise eyeliner, and the lashes I'm going to be using are the same brand that I showed in the previous video. It's Kala 3D Faux Mink. These ones are in cashmere. So while the lashes dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on some Essence Lash Princess false lash effect. I put on my lashes, and while they dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. Since nothing has changed in my face, I'm gonna do all of that off camera, and I will be right back to do the bottom lash line. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take Slate and Noor.
To change your
taking Nior, the dark shade, and adding that to the lash line, like closer to the lash line. Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna wipe away the bake. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Kevyn Aucoin Ariana. It's a soft coral color. And so now I'm just gonna take some of the Evian's facial spray. I'm also gonna take some black kohl liner for my waterline. For highlight, I'm gonna go into the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I'm also gonna add some bottom lash line mascara. I'm gonna use the same essence. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Cork lip liner, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this Dose of Color Lazy Daisy on the center. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!